Welcome back to Trippa Trading. I'm really excited to share something awesome with you today. It is maybe the best 1-minute trading scalping strategy. Whether you're a pro or just starting, this strategy can really amp up your trading game. Stick around till the end. I'm going to break it all down, spill the secrets, and give you some cool tips. So without wasting any time, let's open our TradingView chart. So this is what our trading chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. This is a 1-minute scalping strategy, so I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 1-minute time frame to explain this strategy. We are going to be using these indicators for this strategy. Trust me, this strategy is easy to follow and very accurate at the same time. I'll quickly cross out these indicators so I can explain their settings from the beginning. Now let's add the indicators to the chart. We will click on the Indicator tab. Then search for the 1-minute scalping system indicator. After that, select the indicator made by Bull Trading. Let's add all of the indicators first. Then we will see how we can read each indicator with ease on the chart. The second indicator that we will be adding to the chart is the ATR Stop Loss Finder. We will select the indicator made by Verifid and add it to the chart. The last indicator that we will be adding to the chart is the ADX and DI indicator. We will be selecting the indicator made by this creator. Those were all of the indicators that we will be adding to the chart. So this is very different to the chart that I showed you at the beginning of the video. We will change the indicator settings to optimize them for the 1-minute time frame. So first of all, let's head over to the ATR Stop Loss Finder settings. We will navigate to the Style tab. Now let's uncheck the ATR tables checkbox since we won't be using them for the strategy. Now let's head over to the ATR settings and change the multiplier from 1.5 to 2.5. We have seen professional traders use 0.85, however. Since we are trading using crypto, we will change it to 2.5. After doing so, we will uncheck the Show Price Lines option. Lastly, we will be changing the colors of both the upper and lower ATR lines. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. Now, let's change the settings of the 1-minute scalping indicator. We will navigate to the Settings tab. After that, head over to the Inputs tab and change the length from 100 to 88. Now, head over to the Style tab and change the second bar color to a neutral color. Make sure you follow exactly these settings for better result. We will be leaving the first 3 options on default. However, we will be unchecking all of the other options. And these are going to be all the changes we're going to be doing for this indicator. Now, let's head over to the ADX and DI indicators and change the indicator settings. We will navigate to the Style tab and uncheck the ADX checkbox and do the same for the 20 level. Lastly, I will change the thickness of the DI plus and DI minus lines. You can change this according to your liking. And this is going to be it for this indicator. Now that all of the indicators have been properly configured, let's see how these 3 indicators will work together to create a wonderful 1-minute scalping strategy. Well, it's actually pretty simple. The first indicator that we added to the chart is the indicator that will help us identify the trend direction. An ATR can help traders predict how far the price of an asset might move in the future. This can be helpful when deciding where to set stop loss and take profit targets. We will enter into a trade when the candlestick is green because then we know that we are not in a consolidating market. And lastly, we will use the DI lines to determine whenever it is a good time to enter into a trade. It basically helps us to determine or predict the trend of the market in the future. Now that our chart is set and we have a small knowledge about the indicator we are going to use, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. So we will enter into a buy position when the following conditions have been met. Firstly, the line from the 1-minute scalping strategy indicator will need to be green in color. We will also need to make sure that the price is trading above the line. Secondly, the ADX and DI indicator needs to issue a new buy signal. This is done whenever the green line crosses above the red line. Lastly, the previous or recent candlestick will also need to be green in color. If all of these conditions are met, we will enter into a buy position. So I will open a buy position here. We will place the stop loss at the lower ATR line. For the take profit, we will be targeting a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. So these are the rules for entering a buy trade. Let's see if we can find another buy trade. Make sure to test this strategy first before using it in your live trading. Here we can see we got a buy signal on the ADX indicator. This line is also green in color, and the market is above this line. Finally, we can see this candle is green in color. So as all the rules are confirmed, we can open a buy position here. Our stop loss will be set right here at the ATR line, and the risk to reward ratio will be set at 1.5. I hope you have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. So for a sell trade, first we will need to make sure that the line we use for determining the trend direction is red. We will also need to make sure that the price is trading below this line. Secondly, we will need to check the DI lines and make sure that a sell signal has been provided. This is the case if the red line crosses above the green line just like it did here. Lastly, the previous or recent candlestick needs to be red. Since all of these conditions have been met, we will enter into a sell position. We will place the stop loss at the upper ATR stop loss line. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see if the price will hit our take profit target. Now let's go through one more sell trade example. Let's see if we can find another trade. Here we can see the red line of the ADX indicator crossed above the green line, which indicates a sell signal. Above here, we can see we have got a red candle, and this line is red in color, and also the price is moving below this line. So as all the conditions are fulfilled, we can open a sell trade here. Of course, as traders, we know that no strategy is perfect, and especially a 1-minute scalping strategy requires strict money management rules. Please feel free to share your thoughts about this strategy in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.